Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are a Twitter user, well, yes, it was down for quite a while. So this is something that, I have the impression that it's going to happen more and more as time goes by with the fact that they have, less and less staff. There's a lot of people internally and a lot of the engineers that are saying, look, we're at the limit of being able to just maintain the service. So I don't know what's going to happen with this, but Twitter is definitely in bad shape. So there was a big outage, and the outage was due to the fact that there was a problem with the API, and basically they've fixed it now, but man, this is going to be interesting to see what can happen to this as time goes by, as this is going to be a difficult task to maintain this service. So if you had problems going into your Twitter account, couldn't log in, all sorts of weirdness, well, it's normal. There was absolutely an outage for many hours, actually, also. Things are back to normal, apparently, for most people. Should be okay now. But this is, I think, an indication of what we're going to get into the future if nothing changes on Twitter. So it's interesting also, as I was looking at, when Twitter users started kind of going away from the service, trying to find other things. There's really nothing that is actually being able to replace it in the way that it is. And for many that went into other services, a lot of them are like just no. So it's kind of tough to replace. But also, if there's an increase in problems and in signing in and so on, I'm afraid that Twitter is I'm sure already Twitter is close to a dead service if it continues in the way that it is now. So let's hope that things can change for those that use this service. But I don't, by the end of the year, it's going to be interesting to see what happens to this. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.